My 2-minute conviction is to reflect on the trajectory of your life. Of course, our chronological curve is this upward steady line, incrementally adding one day, 1 year at a time. But what's the shape of your leadership influence? What's the shape of your spiritual vitality? It could be exponential growth with, when you then suffer the law of diminishing returns, or maybe step change where you've had seasons in your life of growth that then plateau, or it could be a bell curve where you've peaked early in the middle and now you're in decline. What we want is this curve of exponential growth for optimal impact right to the very end. And so I encourage you, particularly in the areas of leadership and spiritual growth, think about how can you change the trajectory? What actions can you take to make sure your second half and your latter years are your best? That's my 2-minute conviction.